Hey, what's going on, my dear friends, my dear dudes? Codito is back here with you, and today we are gonna make something cool. Cool. I'm just kidding, guys. It's nice kidding. You can't be always serious. So now let's get to work. What we are gonna create. So guys, we are gonna create this contact form which is full functional. We're gonna use react.js for front end from the front, and for the back we are gonna use Node.js and Node Mailer. So let's see what happened. First of all, let's put a name. My name, let's see, Codito. Oh, what I'm doing. Right, last name, let's say someone. Beautiful. Mail, let's put an email. For example, let's say fff@gmail.com. Cool. Hello, my dear YouTubers. Okay, it's not bad. And boom, 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 boom. Cool. Let's submit. Okay. Cool. Message has been sent, and let's see our mail now. We are just gonna, it's here. Yes, our mail came to our Gmail. Let's see. Formation, name Codito, last name someone. Right, email fff. Hello, my dear YouTubers. Okay, this is, guys, how an email can be sent to our Gmail. I will try to make it as simple as possible. There are many professional YouTubers, web developers, who tries to make things extremely difficult, and in the end you are disappointing with them. So I will try to do my best in order to explain it as easy as I can. So guys, of course this form is responsive. We use some media queries, right? And if you now try to send a message, look, please fill out this field. You can send, you have to complete at least this field, right? Let's send another mail. Let's say b. Let's say g. Email, let's say, for example, code. Let's say d. Submit. Now a tab is going to appear here. Message has been sent, and after 30 seconds it's gonna disappear. Let's see now what happened. We're just waiting now. Message from b. Let's see the message. d. Cool. Let's go and get started, guys. First of all, let's go and create a folder with a name of, let's call it my form. Cool. You know, let's copy the destination. Go here, copy and go to our SEMD. Cool. Command prompt. Control V, press Control V. Cool. Oh no, mistake. Don't do it. Press C or CD, Control V now. Cool. Now we are in this folder. We are here in this folder. Oh, don't see the crack. Don't like it. We are in this folder now. What we are gonna do now? Let's create npx create the front end, create react app, let's say front or client, no, it's the same, client, good, cool, npx create react app client, cool. Now we are waiting for the creation of the folder, of the React folder, which is gonna be our front end. Cool. It's gonna take a couple of minutes, so I'm gonna stop for a while. Okay guys, we are back, we are here. It took me almost 10 minutes, I don't know, maybe it's good to make an update to my laptop. So, where we were, so I'm gonna close it now. I don't want my command. Client is here. Let's do something simple. Go to your text editor, just grab the folder that we created, grab the my form and put it inside your text editor. Pretty nice. After this, why don't we let's go guys and init terminal. So we want to create now a package JSON file in order to bring our node modules inside, because we need a couple of things in order to make our form. So npm init, cool. Now let's write, push enter description for, let's write enter author code editor, cool. And now a package JSON is here, cool. What else? Now we need to download a couple of things here. Gonna see what we need. Of course we need npm install, we need node mailer. What else? We need body parser, we need course. What else? Don't remember what else I need now. Let's go to my I need, guys, also I need Nodemon in order for Node.js to make update automatically concurrently, in order to run both the front and back end concurrently, right? And of course we need Express in order to make our server and generally to transport our input forms data. Let's write Express and boom, enter, push enter, and now we are waiting for our modules to appear here. what I suggest you guys is just doing what I'm doing, because if you are doing something in a different way, maybe you will not have the same result. So follow what I'm doing, and in the end just experiment with yourself if you want to do something else. What I don't like in YouTube tutorials, that everyone makes the same tutorial. They try to make difficult things, and they lose the simplicity of things. I can understand, and in the end, everyone who attend the tutorial get frustrated and give up. Don't like this. Of course, I like doing everything from scratch. The reason is that that it's very simple and easy to understand something. I don't like when I'm working in a file doing something and then just from somewhere just input a file. I lose my concentration. Okay, let's get started. Let's stop. We have body parser, concurrently, cause, express, node mailer, node demon. What else? Probably something else. Cool. Let's create now out of the client. Okay, let's create now. No, here. What I'm doing? A file with the index.js, which will be our server. Cool. Right. Cool. Close it now. We don't need now. Let's go inside to our client. Go to where sources, app.js. Where is app.js? Up. Cool. Here. Now press cd client and npm start. I'm gonna implement our form design, and then we are going back. Okay, our initial React app is starting. Come on. Right, let's do a couple of things now. App. I don't need the logo. Delete. Don't need the header. Delete. Let's create here in our sources. Create a file with the name of form.js. Cool. Press RCC, which is a class-based component. Nice. Let's import it here. Import form from okay, from form. Just import it here. The component. Form. Cool. Right. Now we don't need this anymore. Cool. We are going to write everything here. Now let's get started, guys. Let's not delete the div. write a class name equal with container. Beautiful. Next step, let's write our form. Cool. We don't need the action. Yes, let's go and create our div dot single item. Right. After this, let's create a label. Let's write here HTML4. Let's write a name. Cool. Name. Right. We got the name. Let's go to app CSS. Control A. Delete everything. We don't need this. Cool. After this, let's go and create our input dot name. Cool. Text name equal with name. Right. What else? Let's write a placeholder here. Why not? Placeholder equal with your name dot. Cool. Nice. Let's write something else here. Single item in order not to get confused. End of single item. Right. Like it now. Cool. Copy it. Control copy. Paste. Okay. Right. Here, last name and just put here a capital N. Right. What else? Last name. What I'm doing. Cool. Last name. Yeah. Your last name. Cool. Cool. Let's go now. Email. Cool. Email. Right. Email. Your email. Beautiful. What else? Email for this will be name, last name, email. You know, we don't need this. Just close, delete it. Single text area. Okay, this is a text area div dot text area. Cool. Let's also write here a single item. Why not? Cool. Text area. Message, cool. Let's put here, don't want to be so big, height, placeholder equal with your message, dot, cool. We want the label, let's put a label, message, alright, we are gonna improve it. So below the form, above the form, let's create div.btn, cool. A button, and let's call it button type equal with submit, right. submit, cool. We got the button btn. Above the btn, let's create a message, div dot msg, okay, and here message has been sent, cool. Oh, not sent, right. Now let's go and create our style. First, we want to prevent our default with asterisk, margin, let's put 0, padding 0, box sizing, let's put border box, cool. Right, let's go to .container and just put let's create a background in order to see what I'm doing. Light sea green. I like this color, cool. Right. Okay, let's put a margin. I don't want to put it in the center. Pixels, and what else? Auto. Oh, cool. Right. After this, I'm gonna put a width of 90%, cool, nice. Box shadow of 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 4 pixel, 1 pixel, and let's put a light gray, cool. Where is the light gray? Light gray. Okay. Let's go now to .container form. The width will be 100%. It's gonna follow the initial width. Let's put a padding of 10 pixels. Okay, now it's better. After this we need dot container label. Let's display block. Cool. Now we see that we are close. Letter spacing. What I do? 0.1 rem. Yeah. Font style. Let's put italic. I like italic. Yeah, good. Let's give a little margin, bottom 3 pixels. Okay, it's nice. Okay, 3 pixels. It's not bad. Cool. Let's go to dot container input dot container text area. Cool. We need the width of 100%. All inputs are gonna follow this width. Right, it's good. We are close. A margin of 0 auto. What did I do? 0 auto, yeah. Padding 10 pixels. It's not bad. Okay, now it's better. Border. We don't need the border. What I'm doing here. Right. Don't have a border. Now it's cool. Why don't we give a box? Box shadow. What I'm doing? 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 4 pixel, 1 pixel, RGB. Let's put right. Okay, it's not bad. It's not bad. What else? Copy all this. Control copy, paste, Control V. Let's put focus. Also here focus. Box shadow. 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 4 pixel, 1 pixel, RGB. Let's put 49. Right, 240. Look, when we push here, you see this focus. It's not bad. I like it. You can put whatever background you want. I like it. Right. Next thing. Let's go to single item and put a margin of 10 pixel 0. Right. What happened? I can't see here the space. Something. I saw only this space. Let's see what happened. See. N. We need to put N here. Single. Oh, what I'm doing? Here then. What I'm doing, guys? So you can see how easy to get confused with things. Okay, now it's cool. Now I like it. I like it. You like it? I don't know. I like it. So let's go. Now let's go and implement .btn. Right. Wins 100%. Right. Let's put a text align of sender. Cool. .btn button. Cool. Width. Let's put this amount. Right. Cool. Font size of 18 pixel. Cool. Letter spacing, let's put 0.2 rem. Yeah. Padding 5 pixel, 10 pixel. It's not bad, right? Border pixel, solid, transparent. Right. Outline. We don't need the outline. None. Cool. Let's put a transition. All 0.5 second is in out. Right. Position relative. Margin. Top. Let's put a margin top of 5 pixels. Right. Cool. Copy. As you can see, guys, we can't avoid of creating things with CSS. CSS, it's essential. It's necessary in order to create things. Delete this. Hover. Cool. Let's just create border 1 pixel solid. I'm gonna put FE. Right, and let's see. It's not. We can see now. Why? .btn button for that. What did I do? Background. Let's choose RGB. Cool. Okay, it's not bad. I like it. Just put a cursor point there in order to see here the cursor. Right. I like it. Simple and nice. Cool. Let's go to our message and sorry guys, .msg. Cool. Text align sender. Nice, pretty nice. margin 0 auto. Why don't we put a margin button? Margin button of 10 pixels, right? Letter spacing, let's put a letter spacing of 0.2 rem, and of course my favorite style of italic. It's nice. Width of, okay, 340 pixels. Let's put a padding of 3 pixels. Font size of 60 pixels, right? What else? Font weight, let's put it bold, right? Very nasty now. Color RGB, let's put 5, cool, and 5. Okay, it's not nice now because with this color it's not good, the combination. We are gonna do something else. So background, if we put FFF, now it's nice. Why don't we put a border radius of 5 pixels? Okay, I like it now. It's nice. Cool. Let's create a class that is not in our div. Dot msg appear. It's gonna be display block. Cool. And now we are gonna put a display none. Where is the display? Come on. Display none. Cool. So now it's none, and when we choose this class, all these things, all the tab is gonna appear, guys. Okay, you are going to see it later. Let's make some media query. Media screen and min width, let's put 64 pixels. Cool. We need a dot container. Put a width of let's put a width of 60%. Let's see. Yes, we got the 60%. Copy all this, control copy, paste. Let's go to choose a width of 40% now. Cool. Let's see what happened. Yeah. Okay, we got it. I'm not going to deal with this anymore. Close it. Now let's go and create a couple of things. No, here we need to create a state. So state equal with name j last name j, which is the default. We need an empty default is an empty string. Email, cool, message, cool, oh yeah, and finally let's create a send, okay, which is send is we create it. I'm gonna put it false as default. So if the message has sent, we want to see the class, the message appear that we create in CSS. For this reason we created this. Okay, let's create our now handle input and of handle inputs. Right, cool. Handle name cool equal with, let's create a fat arrow function here, this dot set state cool name a dot target dot name. Damn it, always the same thing. Curly bracket and no array. Right. E dot target. Yes, we got to put an event here. Right. Cool. Copy it. Control copy. Paste. 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 Let's see. Handle name. Handle last name. Let's put a capital here. Handle last name. Cool. Put here a last name. Dot target dot last. Just be careful, guys. What are you doing? Handle email call handle what we need message cool. Oh, right. Message. Yes, we got it. Let's go now here in our inputs and put let's make it better. Right. So there we need the value equal with this dot state dot name cool. After this we want the on change to be equal with this dot handle name. Cool, let's see. Okay, our name is not changing. Something is wrong. This dot state dot name, what I do, let's see. What I'm doing, guys, here we need a value. Let's see. Okay, now it's changing. Also here you can see how easy to get confused with things. Value, we need to change the target, the value. Cool. Let's go now to last name. Value, where is the value? Let's make the same thing here. Value equal this dot state dot last name. And of course we need the on change in order to work. On change. What I'm doing, this dot state dot what I'm doing, guys, this dot handle last name. Cool. And let's see, it's working. The same thing, let's grab it, control copy. Cool. Do the same thing here. We need this is dot state dot email here. Yeah, email. Cool. Handle email. Let's see. Oh, I did a mistake here. Email does not work. Let's see. Maybe here is a mistake. Yeah, could put it email. So when you copy and paste many times, these things comes. Okay, right. Last is a message. Let's make the same thing. Text area. Put here a value. This, what I'm doing, I already have it, just copy and paste. Values date dot message. Cool. This dot handle. What I'm doing. Handle message, right. Let's see, and we got the same problem here. I didn't change it. Let's put message, and cool, we got it. Now let's go and create. First of all, let's kill our server, control our front end, control clear. Yes, we want to install npm install, we want Axios, npm install Axios in order to make API calls. After this, cool, let's see, we got Axios, really. Form Json. Where is Axios? It's here, we see. Okay, we are here in package.json of sources. Okay, not confused with package.json of client. Look, this is a client path.json. We are here in package.json of sources. Cool. Let's go and do something else now. Okay. After the private, just create a proxy. Cool. And write let's put two double quotes. Right, HTTP local host right. Okay, close it now. Import Axios from Axios. Cool. Go here. Let's make our form submit now. Form submit. Federal function. Let's run the server, the client, and npm start. Cool. From submit it dot prevent default cool. Let's write let data equal with object name is dot state dot name. Cool. Last name this is the data that we want to send. State dot email. Cool. And the message. State dot message. Always this configure. Cool. Right. And now we want to use Axios to make a post. Okay, in this direction for format. Cool. And what we want to send the data. Cool. Dot then, let's use a dot then res equal right this dot set state we want of course the send to be true. If has been sent, we want the send to be true, and of course send to be true, and of course here we want the form to be reset, so reset form, and of course this dot reset form we have to write this dot reset form. We don't have it, we are gonna create it. Right, so everything is not going to be right. Let's create a catch. There is a no error catch. Cool. And the log is gonna appear message not sent. Cool. For resetting initial data, let's write initial. Cool. Reset form equal with this dot set state. Cool. The name, when we write something to be, we want to be again empty. Initial. Last name. Cool. Email. And of course the message. Right. Okay. Why don't we put a set timeout call this dot set state send to be false. We want to be false again after sending the message, right? Let's see, timeout here. Where is the timeout? Here we need to put let's put 3000. Right. It seems to be okay. Right, guys, after this, let's go and create close this, go in our index.js, and we want, this is the server now, the backend. We want const express equal with require express. Cool. Const body parser equal with require. We want body parser. We need the node mailer. Const node mailer. And of course the course. Cool. After this, let's go and put const app equal express. App.use and what else we need? Oh, app.use. What is happening? Of course I need this, right? And now let's see, use, now we can see it. Dot use, we need the body parser dot json. It's gonna come as JSON, right? App.use cool body parser dot u. Alright, extend it to be true. right, and the app dot use. Okay, we need the course, right. Let's go app dot get, right, and we need, let's make app.get rest.send welcome to my format. App.post. Cool. Now we are gonna make our post here to AP format, right? But we want to have what? A request and a response. Please, let's have let data equal body rec.body. Oh, I need this. Cool. Let smtp transport equal node mailer dot create transport. Cool. Service Gmail port. Let's put a port of 465, right? Auth authentication. Cool. Now you've got to put here your email. My email is oddcolas@gmail.com. And of course your password of email. Cool. Go now here at create. Let mail options equal with from data dot email. Cool. To I'm gonna grab it again. We'll copy, right, subject. Let's write message from data.name. Of course we need the HTML. Let's create an HTML here. Template literals. Cool. Write here something. Let's write informations. Let's put another list. Cool. Of course we need what I'm doing. li just put here what's the name? We need to put here data.name. Copy, put here. We need what I'm doing, last name, of course capital here, data dot last name, the email, cool. Okay, after this let's write h3 put here message, and let's write the paragraph. Data.message. Cool, we got it. SMTP transport dot send mail. Cool. We want mail options. Yes. Here, let's put the error and the response. Cool. If error rest.send error. Cool. Else what we want, rest.send, we need success. Cool. And after this we need a SMTP transport dot close. Right. Let's go now and do a couple of things in a package JSON here. We don't need the test, delete it, and let's write start. Cool. Node index.js. Right. Now let's write here server nodemon index.js. Client we need to put here npm start. Cool. Prefix client. Cool. And of course we want to run both of them concurrently. Right. npm run server cool. Run server npm run client. Okay, it seems to be good. Let's go now. Client is here. Let's go. Control clear. Yes. cd dash dash. Let's go to the initial and write npm. Before going, let's forgot something like this. Source, go to form. Here we need cat this dot state dot send right, we need the msg appear here. We just need the msg, right. Go here now, just write npm run dev, and let's see what is gonna happen. Our server is gonna start automatically. At least we don't have a mistake here. Let's let's inspect element. Let's write something. A code. Something seems to be wrong. Suppose. We prevent. Let's see what happened here. What I'm doing, guys. I didn't put here the submit. Into the submit we got to put form. Where is the form? We have to put the form submit. On click equal this dot form submit, and let's email message sent. Syntax error. Seems that I have a syntax error. Location form JS line number 1 column 1 65. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Of course, I'm gonna put here require. Where is the email? Where is the email? Required line 1. Yes. Let's stop for a while, guys. I'm gonna stop for a while. Okay, guys, I'm here again. Sorry about the problem. I found out finally what was the problem. Damn it! If you copy from PC, these things happen. But what can you do? You don't have choice. Problems are in our lives. So let's delete again. So we were. Let's see where we were. Now go to index.js. In index.js, I forgot to put our port of listening, guys. I don't believe it. I was looking my PC, and my port. This is what I forgot. This was it was like this in PC, and I thought, okay, I write everything, but I didn't scroll down and I didn't see this. So now let's make it from scratch. Oh, sorry guys about this. Problems are in our life, so we need to create a const. We need to create a port. Okay, let's put a port. Equal with process dot env dot port. Cool. Right, and we want to put the port, the number. Okay, this is the number of port that we are gonna make the request, and we are taking the data. Cool. App dot we want a listen, right? Port. Cool. And of course we need to know if the server really is in this port. Okay, server starting at port cool, and server started at port 3001. Cool. Let's delete this now. After this we need to do something else. Okay, something that I put, something wrong that I put. Go to form. In the end, what I do, and here my mistake was that I had the on click. we don't want the on click, because if we put here every time a form is gonna send. Okay, we want the on submit. On submit. Cool. And after this everything is gonna work. Cool. Let's go now and write something. For example, finished. No, let's write the name. Let's write last. Cool. Last name, OD. Email. Let's write an email. For example, send. Mail. These capitals. Send mail.com. Cool. Write a message. Finally, after of some problems, we finished. Yeah. Cool, let's send a mail now, and let's inspect, go to log here, let's send it. Cool, message has been sent, and we got a correct post. Let's see our message. Message from the last, okay, from last name. Finally, after some problems, finished, yeah. Okay guys, this was the tutorial. We had some problems, but we finally solved it. If you like it, subscribe, and of course push the like button. What else? I had something else in my mind. I forgot it. When you write something, guys, be careful. Be super careful, because you saw what problems we faced. Okay, I faced problems because I forgot some couple of things, but even a dot, if you forget, you are going to have problems. Let's see what else. No, it's finished. Close it. Let's go again here. Right, we finished. We don't need something else. So guys, that was our tutorial about a contact form with react.js, Node.js and Node Mailer. And of course we will try to write something here. Something is up here and says please fill out the mold. You can put here also the same thing to appear. You can put require here, require, like in this section. Okay, that was, guys. Have a nice day, and don't forget to subscribe.